If you are thinking about designing your kitchen with cabinets, these 6 questions must be raised first. What are the latest trends in kitchen cabinets? There are several trends in kitchen cabinets that have been popular in recent years. These include two-tone cabinets. This trend involves pairing cabinets in a single kitchen with 2 different colors or finishes, either by combining different shades of the same color or by using completely different colors. Mixing and matching materials. Instead of using a single material for all of the cabinets in a kitchen, this trend involves using a combination of materials such as wood, stainless steel, and glass to create a unique and visually interesting look. Open shelving. This trend involves replacing some of the traditional upper cabinets with open shelving. This can create a more open and airy feel in the kitchen and make it easier to access items. Hidden storage. Cabinets with hidden storage, such as those with pull-out trays or built-in recycling bins, are becoming increasingly popular. These features help to keep the kitchen looking organized and clutter-free. Matte finishes. Glossy finishes on cabinets have been popular in the past, but more recently, matte finishes have become trendy. These finishes have a softer, more velvety look and feel and can be easier to clean than high-gloss finishes. Can I install kitchen cabinets myself or should I hire a professional? Installing kitchen cabinets is a complex process that requires a certain level of skill and experience. If you have some experience with home improvement projects and are comfortable using tools, you may be able to install your kitchen cabinets yourself. However, if you are not comfortable with this level of work or do not have the necessary tools and equipment, it is probably best to hire a professional. A professional kitchen cabinet installer will have the expertise and experience to ensure that your cabinets are installed properly and securely. They will also have the proper tools and equipment to complete the job efficiently. What are the best materials for kitchen cabinets? Wood. Wood is a popular choice for kitchen cabinets because it is a durable and attractive material. It can be stained or painted to match the decor of your kitchen. Laminate. Laminate cabinets are made by bonding layers of paper or fabric impregnated with resin to a core of particleboard or MDF medium-density fiberboard. They are affordable and easy to clean, but they may not be as durable as wood or other materials. Stainless steel. Stainless steel cabinets are popular in commercial kitchens because they are durable and easy to clean. They can also be used in residential kitchens, but they may be more expensive than other options. Thermofoil. Thermofoil cabinets are made by bonding a thin layer of vinyl to a core of particleboard or MDF. They are affordable and easy to clean, but they may not be as durable as other materials. Acrylic. Acrylic cabinets are made from a type of plastic that is known for its glossy finish and transparency. They are easy to clean and maintain, but they may not be as durable as other materials. Ultimately, the best material for your kitchen cabinets will depend on your budget, style preferences, and the level of use the cabinets will receive. How much do kitchen cabinets cost? The cost of kitchen cabinets can vary significantly depending on a number of factors, including the size of your kitchen, the type of cabinets you choose, and the materials they are made from. On average, you can expect to pay between $100 and $1,200 per linear foot for stock cabinets, $75 to $1,500 per linear foot for semi-custom cabinets, and $500 to $1,500 per linear foot for custom-made cabinets. Keep in mind that these estimates are rough and the actual cost of your cabinets may be higher or lower depending on your specific needs and circumstances. What are the best brands of kitchen cabinets? There are many brands of kitchen cabinets available on the market, and the best one for you will depend on your budget, style preferences, and the layout and size of your kitchen. Some popular brands of kitchen cabinets include KraftMaid, Marilat, Thomasville, Decora, Wellborn, Wood Mode, Brookhaven, Fabuwood, JSI, Sigma, Homecrest. How do I choose between stock, semi-custom, and custom kitchen cabinets. There are a few key differences between stock, semi-custom, and custom kitchen cabinets that you should consider when making your decision. Price. Stock cabinets are generally the most affordable option, followed by semi-custom, with custom cabinets being the most expensive. Selection. Stock cabinets have a limited selection of styles, sizes, and finishes, while semi-custom cabinets offer a wider range of options. Custom cabinets allow you to create a completely unique and personalized design. Quality. Stock cabinets are mass-produced and may not be as durable as semi-custom or custom cabinets. Semi-custom and custom cabinets are generally of higher quality, as they are made to order and can be built using higher quality materials. Lead time. Stock cabinets are typically available for immediate purchase and installation, while semi-custom and custom cabinets may have longer lead times as they are made to order. When deciding which type of cabinets to choose, consider your budget, the look you want to achieve, and the level of customization and quality you desire.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found the video helpful, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon and give your opinion in comment section.